Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bless. And this is Mateo. Today is the graduation day of Mateo. Today is June 5, 2026. So,
June 4.
take two, take two. Today is June 4, 2026. And we have to prepare ourselves at mag-graduate na si Mateo 5th grade. And next year, you will be 6th grade. Okay, so tara, magbablog tayo. Ibablog natin kung ano man yung maibablog natin, kung anong pwede natin i-vlog. Para sa graduation day ni Mateo. Come on, go, go, go! Go, go, go! At syempre mga karancho, picture-picture muna bago umalis ng bahay. So I wanna say congratulations Mateo! Middle school na po siya mga karancho next year. So I'm very proud of you. My grandson, may apong pogi. Wala pong kukontra. Kaya naman po mga karancho, panoorin po natin ang mga or magiging kaganapan sa graduation day ni Mateo. Hello mga karancho, ayan na po yung gagraduate. Naglalakad na. Pupunta na dun sa venue. Ang venue po na ito ay San Ramon. Ano ba tong venue na to? I will tell you later. Nandito po tayo sa San Ramon, California. At hahanapin natin yung venue ng graduation. San Ramon Rotary Club. Ay sus, picture-picture muna ulit. Talaga naman, para remembrance. So, eto na po tayo, mga karancho. Actually, alas 7 pa po ang graduation, pero alas 6 pa lang dahil may practice pa yata. So, this is San Ramon Community Center. Andito na po tayo sa pagdarausan ng graduation. Just all you know, ang graduation po na ito ay inorganize ng Tri-Valley Explorers Homeschooler Community. Dito po sa Tri-Valley Explorers Homeschooler Community, dito po pinaparegister ng mga magulang ng mga homeschooler na estudyante if it is already time for their children to graduate. Like for example, ang mga pwede pong magpa-register dito sa Tri-Valley Explorers Homeschool Community ay preschool, kindergarten, 5th grade, 8th grade at seniors. Kaya po mapapansin ninyo na ang magsisigraduate ay iba't ibang grade level. Kaya naman po, ito na po sila at magsisipagmarcha na simula preschool hanggang senior level. Mga karancho, I just want you to know that binago ko po yung tugtog ng graduation song at nang hindi ako mapalo. I mean, hindi ako maka-copyright. Okidoki? Ayan po si Mateo, ang aking apo. Very proud of you, my grandson. Kung mapapansin niyo po, ang mga nakatoga lang ay yung mga senior high.
Students, you may you take your seats with your parents, seniors, you
Of course, hindi po mawawala. Picture-picture muna. Nag-picture posing-posing muna sila bago sila pinaupo ng host. Pagkatapos po magmarcha ng mga graduate ay nag-speech po muna yung isa sa mga organizer ng Tri-Valley Explorers tungkol sa history kung kailan at paano itinatag ang Tri-Valley Explorers or TVE, Tri-Valley Explorers.
right here. Not only was she a founding member of TVE, she was one of my closest friends. I hope you'll offer me grace as I try to tell you about her tonight, as I grieve such a huge loss in my life. Lori joined TVE in
Hindi ko na po tinapos ang pagbibideo about founding history of TVE. Next number of the program is giving of certificate or diploma. After giving or distribution of diploma, all the graduates are asked to stay in front for picture taking.
All seniors and all the graduates to come up to the stage. We're going to turn the tassels, but actually let's have the seniors come first. We're going to do your turning of the tassels. So just come up, leave your diplomas, and you're all on the right side. So you're on your right side or on your left? It's all left to right or right to left? Right to left. Okay, let's get this picture. So funny how that's like a big deal, turning a tassel. Okay, we're gonna toss your caps. I want this picture. So if you've ever been to a graduation before, you know do it again when you really throw it, okay? Are yours pinned? I know they're pinned. Can you get it off? Okay, you ready? All right. I know. Don't mess up the hair. All right. 1, 2, 3. Get it? 1, 2, 3. Seniors, and you'll step up to the stage. Line up how you did before when you guys did processional. Yeah, scooch over those so you have a picture. No, let him take a picture. And parents, everybody, feel free. Appreciate you. There's a light deserved reception in the back. Please help yourself and thank you for coming. And there's a photo booth over there if you want to get any pictures. Thank you.
Mga karancho, the graduation ceremony ay natapos at ngayon naman kanya-kanyang picture na bawat family. Lahat ng gustong magpa-picture at lahat ng gustong kumain, meron ding kainan kasi yung pinakahanda, yung potluck, kung sino yung mga gustong magdala ng pagkain at ni-require pala sila, hindi sila kung sino yung gustong magdala ng pagkain. Required sila na magdala. May mga asa-assign sila kung anong mga dadali nila, kung anong klaseng pagkain para hindi magka-doble-doble. At eto na nga, hindi mawawala ang mga picture-picturan. Ayan, si Mateo, more pictures. At saka yung mga parapernalya niya. Diyos ko, ano ba yan? Ginawang playground. Ano pa yun? Graduation ng habulan. Ngayon lang ako nakakita. Kaka-graduate na kipaghabulan. Dala-dala ang diploma. Ito sa lahat ng graduate nakipaglaro at nakipaghabulan. Dala-dala ang diploma habang pagkatapos graduate, dala-dala diploma nakikipaghabulan. Gusto ko yung graduate naglaro. Hello guys, tapos na ang graduation mga karancho. Ayan, nagkichika-chikahan na lang yung mga tao at yung iba naman ay nagliligpit na. Ito yung mga potluck na dinalang pagkain, niligpit na rin, ayan na lang yung natira. So, thank you for watching mga guys. Hello. Oh guys, there's an exhibit. Golden Hour. Mga karancho, meron po
Helix.
exhibits dito sa itaas, sa second
Harvest.
floor. Umakyat ako at aking binidyuhan. Ito po ay mga retaso na ginawang artwork na iba't ibang klase ng design. So, panoorin po natin. At ang napansin ko ay for sale siya kung sino yung merong gustong bumili. So, tara, panoorin po ninyo. These are recycled materials. So ano ba to? Parang ano, binibenta, 2,500. Ito din. Saranggola ni Pepe. So, Win Play Kite, Dolly Cahill Johnson, 2002 Mayor's Choice Award. Mayor Nancy Tatarka.
Congratulations!
Congratulations, Mateo.
Congratulations to
You are-
Tizon!
You are officially
Sixth grade!
sixth grade. Woohoo! Hi guys, thank you for watching. See you again next time. What can you say?
Please subscribe, like, and share.
I love you all subscribers.
Surprise!
Naku, napagod ang graduate natin na mag-officially what grade? You are officially
6.
6th grade, okay? Nga pala, mga karancho, nakahinto kami dito kasi kakain daw, nagugutom daw si Everett at saka si Johnny. Kaya, bumili ng pagkain dun sa Chipotle. Ayun, yung Chipotle. Ayun, tingnan nyo. So, ayun yung Chipotle, yung maliwanag na yun, guys. Mga karancho, ayan, nintay namin kasi wala pa sila. So, ayan, ang Chipotle. Chicken ng pagkain, siguro ang bibili nila. Ayan o, ayun yung Chipotle. Pumunta pa ron para bumili ng pagkain.
Together.
Ito yung Chipotle na pagkain na bili. Sarap yung Chipotle. Sandali, picturean ko tong Chipotle.